Okay, today we are gonna do a review or a test about this Nitro 4x4 12 LED light bars, right? Light bar, 144 watts, 14,400 lumens, 48 LED bulbs, and you can read right here: waterproof, strobe light, yeah, 39, like $40 at Ollie's. They might be cheaper now since it's the holidays. Yeah, okay. You can use this for nighttime. Okay, I'm gonna take them out and I'm gonna do the test about these lights. Okay, it comes with the screws. Yeah, right here. Yeah, for your grill, truck, whatever. Okay, it comes with the manual right there, and more screws right in there. Okay, now let's do the test about how these lights look like. All right, we're gonna try to make them apart so we don't have a short circuit or something in here. Okay, I'm gonna place them right here. Okay, as you can see, this is my setup for these lights, like a ground and positive right here, ready. Okay, now I'm gonna right here with the ground, black and black. Okay, right here. Now I'm gonna go with the red and red. Okay, and there you go. Now, as you can see, these lights, they are really strong. I'm not able to see directly to the lights with my eyes. Yeah, right there. These are great lights for nighttime. Yeah, and this is how they look like. As you can see, right there. I'm gonna leave you the link below where you can find them. Yeah, that's the information if you want to read it. Yeah, if you want to pause the video and read the information right here. Okay, as you can see right here, there's lights. I'm gonna see. Yeah, we're going to see how they look like at nighttime. Right, you can see right here, it's dark. And I'm gonna connect them. And this is how they look like at nighttime. Right here. It's only one. I mean, if you put two of them, yeah, that would be great. Let me disconnect it. Yeah, and I still have the iPhone light. Yeah, that's why it doesn't look too dark in my garage light right here. So, but this light right here, very good. Yeah, as you can see the light. Yeah, all the way over there. Nice light, right? Okay, thanks for watching.